here.
You're gonna go snorkeling?
Oh, I'm gonna go for a swim, but I just gotta tighten the nuts on this ladder because the ladders come loose. So I got a wrench on Amazon. I ordered a 3/4 inch wrench on Amazon just to make sure the ladder's safe.
Isn't the water too cold now?
It's not too cold. We swim every day. We swim all winter sometimes. I've swam in 0-degree water. It's actually a bit warmer now. But the one thing is this ladder, I just want to make sure the ladder's nice and tight. The nuts, because they come loose. And the city doesn't maintain the ladder. The city doesn't maintain it, so want to make sure everything's safe. You know, the safety ladder. Got to make sure the safety ladder is safe.